Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to use the tab search feature in the Google Chrome on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you open many tabs and find it difficult to locate a specific one, then tab search can help you quickly find any open tab, including recently closed tabs. So let's get started. First, open Google Chrome browser on your computer. Now make sure that your Chrome browser is updated to the latest version. Look at the top right corner of the browser near minimize button. You will find a tab search button. Click on it to open tab search panel. Now in the search box, type the name of the tab you are looking for. Chrome will instantly show matching tabs from your open tabs. Simply click on the tab you want to switch to it. If you do not see the tab search button, update your Chrome browser. To do this, click on three dots menu in the top right corner. Then scroll down and hover mouse over help and then choose about Google Chrome. Chrome will automatically check for updates and install them if available. After updating, restart the browser and the tab search feature. Tab search button should appear. That's it. This is how you can use the tab search feature in Google Chrome on Windows 11 or Windows 10. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.